Okay, sir. Here we are going to show you how to solve the welding problems of the machine. Sometimes the machine is doing its job, but the finished mask is not very good. For example, like this. The welding work is finished, is done, but this point is not good. Sometimes that will happen. We believe the reason for this phenomenon is because the welding head, the space between the welding head and the steel mold is too big. I mean, this space between the welding head and the steel mold is too much. That means the welding head cannot give enough pressure to the steel mold, so the welding work could not be done very properly. Let me show you what will happen in this situation. See? It's not working. Okay. You just saw that the welding head is doing its job, but it's not working. The product is not good. So, we are going to show you how to solve this problem. The welding head, its pressure is coming from the cylinder in here. We can adjust the space of this unit to control the cylinder pressure, which is going to give to the welding head. 跟他讲，看一下。We're going to lose the screw to raise the screw 往上升是吧？
对，往上升。
To remove the screw to raise the screw, which gave this space, which will make this space much higher, a little bit higher. I mean, that will allow the cylinder to give a little bit more pressure to the welding head. You can't do it don't do that too much. Just lose the screw a little bit, and we will show the effect. 어, 打2-3个吧，看一下。可以打上。好，可以。See the difference? It's totally different than 2 minutes later, 2 minutes before. It's totally different now. 下面我们就跟他讲一下这个上升的距离是吧？
不用讲这个，不用讲。
啊，
直接讲。
好。